This is how to make ElevenLabs whisper with incredibly realistic results. Go to text-to-speech and pick any voice from your library. Change the model dropdown to 11v3 Alpha. This version handles whisper effects way better than the older models. Type your text with whispers in square brackets, then add your actual words. The ancient library holds forgotten secrets. Click Generate and listen to how it captures those natural breath sounds and soft tones.
The ancient library holds forgotten secrets.
You can stack emotional tags with whispers too. Put whispers and nervously in separate brackets. Someone is coming down the hallway.
Someone is coming down the hallway.
The nervousness bleeds right through the whisper. Try adding urgency. Use whispers and urgently before something like, "We need to leave right now."
We need to leave right now.
It keeps that quiet intensity while still feeling immediate. Now, if your whispers aren't responding well to these tags, check your voice settings. Creative mode works best because they let the AI interpret emotional cues freely. Robust mode restricts this and makes whispers sound mechanical. Different voices give you completely different whisper qualities. Pick whichever whisper captures the exact mood your project needs.